Hello guys, welcome to Learn by Abhishank. In this lecture, we'll study about lead time. We'll get to know what is lead time, why lead time is important, and we'll see a case study in which if we calculate a wrong value of lead time and provide it to our customer, what can be consequences and effects on our business. Lead time is the amount of time it takes from the moment a customer places an order to the moment the product is out for delivery. The moment we receive an order from our customer, we plan procurement of raw material, and after procuring the raw material, we do its incoming inspection, and if it is okay in incoming inspection, we start the manufacturing of finished product, and after completing the manufacturing of finished product, we do a final inspection of the finished product, and if it is okay in finished product inspection, we'll plan that delivery of the finished product, and then it gets out for dispatch. So the time we receive an order till the dispatch of the finished product is called lead time. Now, why lead time is very important? In manufacturing industry, everything is time bounded. Time is very precious. Whether you are doing any process, you have to be very cautious with the time. Whether it is procurement, whether it is production planning, whether it is inspection, everything should be calculated as per time and quality. Now, if you are signing a business deal, if you are doing a business deal, customer will ask you what is your lead time for a particular amount of product. And if you are giving a proper lead time, he'll be very comfortable with you for doing that business. Now let's see a case study in which if we provide a wrong lead time to our customer, what can be possible consequences and effects on our business. Suppose you are a forging manufacturing firm and your customer gives you an order of 10,000 crankshaft forging. Then he asks you what will be the lead time taken by you to manufacture 10,000 crankshafts. You say that you will provide the crankshafts in 30 days. But actually you will be needing 40 days. And it was a calculation mistake by you and you calculated 30 days. Now what happens? Your customer has also his customer, that is a OEM company, and he committed to that company that he'll provide the engines which he will be making using your crankshaft in 35 days. That is, he'll be taking only 5 days to manufacture engines after getting crankshaft from you. Now he given the commitment to the OEM company. Now what happens? You made the crankshaft in 40 days, and due to which you faced a dispatch failure. And when your customer gets the crankshaft in 40 days, he also lost his commitment given by him to the OEM company, and he provided the engines in 45 days. Ultimately, the supplier rating of your customer in the OEM decreased a lot, and the root cause was your wrong lead time. Now, due to this, the trust of your customer in the eyes of OEM decreased, and your customer becomes very angry with you, and he lost all the trust of you on him. Now what will happen? Ultimately you will lose the business. So friends, calculating lead time is very important. Lead time calculation should be done properly, and every commitment to the customer should be done precisely. I hope you enjoyed the lecture, and please subscribe our channel. We'll meet soon with a new topic. Thank you.